Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into crypto.com to stake CRO and earn rewards, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the crypto.com website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your crypto.com account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your authentication app for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the required field on the login page. Once all fields are filled, click the login button to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the home section on the dashboard. Find the stake option from the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the stake option to explore staking options for CRO. Choose the CRO token from the list of available tokens for staking. Select the amount of CRO you wish to stake. Review the staking terms and rewards associated with your selection. Once you're satisfied, click on the Stake Now button to initiate the staking process. Confirm the transaction in the pop-up window that appears. Wait for the transaction to be processed. You will receive a notification confirming your successful staking of CRO. Monitor your staking rewards in the rewards section of your account. Check your account periodically to track your earnings over time. Now you are successfully staked and ready to earn rewards with your CRO tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.